Looking to hit the water this season but not sure which kayak or paddleboard is actually worth your money? With so many options on Amazon claiming to be the best, it can be hard to know what truly delivers in terms of quality, stability, and value. In this video, we're diving into the top-rated kayaks and inflatable paddleboards available on Amazon, testing their features, performance, and overall experience on the water. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned paddler, stay tuned to find out which ones are really worth it, and which ones you might want to skip. Let's get started. If you're looking for the perfect way to enjoy lakes and mild rivers with a friend or loved one, the Intex 68307 EP Explorer K2 inflatable kayak set is an ideal choice. Designed for two people, this kayak offers comfort, durability, and portability, all at a great value. It's made from super strong PVC material that's built to resist punctures and abrasions, making it suitable for a variety of water adventures. With a 400 pounds weight capacity, it easily supports two adults while maintaining excellent stability and performance on the water. The kayak features adjustable inflatable seats with backrests, ensuring you stay comfortable during extended paddling sessions. Whether you're heading out for a relaxing afternoon or a quick workout, the Explorer K2's streamlined design and bright yellow color enhance visibility and tracking in the water. The package also includes deluxe 86-inch aluminum oars, which are lightweight yet strong, and a high-output air pump that makes inflation and deflation quick and effortless. Easy to set up, easy to transport, and fun to use, the Intex Explorer K2 is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced paddler, you'll appreciate its user-friendly design and rugged build. Ready to hit the water? Click the link in the video description below to grab your own Explorer K2 kayak set today and start your next adventure with confidence. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor water adventures, the inflatable stand-up paddleboard for adults from the Aquaride store is an outstanding choice. Designed with both men and women in mind, this premium supboard combines stability, durability, and top-tier performance in one easy-to-use package. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned paddleboarder, you'll love how smooth and stable the ride is, even in varying water conditions. It's ideal for lakes, rivers, and even light ocean use, making it perfect for everything from casual paddling to fitness routines or exploring nature. This high-quality paddleboard is made from military-grade materials that resist punctures and wear, so you can count on it for long-term use. It inflates quickly using the included high-performance pump, saving you time and energy before you hit the water. The board features a durable fin system for improved tracking and maneuverability, while the non-slip deck offers great grip for safe and comfortable paddling. You'll also appreciate the thoughtfully included accessories. Everything you need to get started is right in the box, from the adjustable paddle to the safety leash, repair kit, and carry bag. Whether you're looking to relax, exercise, or explore, this Aquaride inflatable supboard delivers the versatility and reliability you need. It's lightweight, easy to transport, and quick to set up, making it perfect for weekend trips, vacations, or spontaneous outings. Don't miss out on the ultimate paddleboarding experience. Click the link in the video description below to order your Aquaride supboard today and make every trip to the water unforgettable. If you're looking for a versatile and beginner-friendly paddleboard that offers both performance and comfort, the ZLX 11.5 feet inflatable stand-up paddleboard with seat is a fantastic choice. Designed for all skill levels, this board is ideal for both youth and adults who want to enjoy time on the water, whether you're cruising, practicing yoga, fishing, or just exploring. The extra-wide and stable non-slip deck ensures balance and safety, even for first-time paddlers. At 11.5 feet in length, it offers excellent tracking and stability, making it a reliable option in both calm and slightly choppier waters. One standout feature of this ZLX paddleboard is the removable seat, allowing you to switch from stand-up paddling to a more relaxed, seated kayaking position whenever you like. This dual-purpose design adds flexibility to your adventure, giving you the freedom to enjoy your outing in whatever way suits you best. The adjustable paddle can be customized to your height and paddling style, while the inflatable structure makes it easy to transport and store when not in use. Despite being lightweight, it's made from durable materials that withstand wear and resist punctures, ensuring long-lasting use. Everything you need is included in this complete set, from the paddle and seat to the pump and carry bag, so you can get on the water right away without any extra purchases. Whether you're heading out solo or with friends and family, the ZLX inflatable supboard brings quality, convenience, and fun together in one amazing package. Ready to take your paddling experience to the next level? Click the link in the video description below to order your ZLX paddleboard today and start making unforgettable water memories.